There are many people who think that pimples are caused by dirty skin, but that is not actually the case. Before pimples occur, there are three things that may be happening. One is too much oil. Two is clogging of the pores, actually caused by dead skin cells. And three is growth of bacteria. Now, this may be confusing, so I would want to break it down for you to get a very broad understanding. In this video, we'll be looking at the real cause of pimples, what actually makes it worse, and then how to prevent pimples. When you look at your skin, there are tiny holes which are called pores. It is through the pores that the hair follicle grows through. Beneath each hair follicle is a gland called sebaceous gland, which basically produces oil called sebum. And the major function of this oil is to lubricate your skin, to prevent your skin from drying out. So this means that the oil being produced by the sebaceous gland is very important. However, the problem comes when this sebaceous gland produces too much oil and the body is being made in such a way that dead skin cells are being removed from your skin and new skin cells will now develop. So when these dead skin cells mixes with the oil, they thickens and then they block the hair pores. Bacteria will now start growing beneath the pores. And basically the type of bacteria that causes acne is what we call bacterial acne. So when this bacteria grows abnormally, it will trigger your body's immune system to come and attack the bacteria, and that will lead to an inflammatory response causing redness at the site, swelling, pain, and sometimes pus from the sides. Now there are two types of acne. We have the black head and we have the white head. Now with the black head, the pores have an opening leading to outside, so the contents will now come outside, which when oxidized will cause a black layer. I hope you understand. Then we also have the white head. With the white head, there is no opening of the pore to the environment. So this means that there is a white layer that will cover the pore, preventing the oil, the dead skin cells, and the bacteria from getting outside. So that is the white head. Now, what are the real causes of acne? One is hormonal imbalance. Now, with hormonal imbalance, your body intends to produce certain kind of hormones that indirectly trigger the sebaceous gland to be producing too much oil or sebum, and that can predispose you into having these acne or pimples. People living with polycystic ovarian syndrome mostly experience acne. Also, when you hit your puberty age, because there is production of a lot of hormones in your system, it can trigger the sebaceous gland to produce a lot of oil or sebum, and that can trigger the production of acne. Also, there are certain habits that can trigger acne. One is using a lot of skincare products. There are majority of people, once they hear of a skincare product and hear a lotion will help you, this cream will help you, they will immediately go and buy, and they will try applying it on their face. Some of these skincare products are thick enough that when you apply it on your face, it will block the pores, and that indirectly can predispose you into having acne or pimples. Also, your diet can indirectly lead to you experiencing acne. Studies have shown that food containing a lot of high sugar content and also high dairy food, such as milk and those kind of food, can also predispose you into having this kind of acne, because they boost the sebaceous gland to produce a lot of oil, and that indirectly can predispose you into having acne. Also, you shouldn't be touching your face constantly, because the more you touch your face, have it in mind that you use your hand to be touching money, to be touching surfaces in your office. So if you constantly touch your hand with your face, it can introduce foreign organisms into your face, and that indirectly can predispose you into having acne. Also, you shouldn't try to pop a pimple on your face, because once you try to pop a pimple, it can bury the bacteria deep into the pores, and that will make it very serious. It is best that you go to see a dermatologist who is a skin doctor, a specialist who is much versed into skin infection. Because if the cause of your acne is from a hormonal imbalance, and you try buying creams and lotions and these kind of skincare products, it won't go because the cause is within your human body, the cause is within your hormones. So you need a dermatologist who can help you identify the cause of your acne or pimples and then try to manage accordingly, and then you'll be fine. So now, how do we prevent acne from occurring? One, you need to wash your face constantly. Now, when you wake up in the morning, you have to wash your face in order to remove these kind of clogged pores or this thickened oil in your face. How can you understand? Also, you should control your diet. If you are one kind of person who takes in a high sugar food or high dairy food, you should cut it down. You should also stop buying these kind of skincare products and lotions whenever you hear of anything like that. You go to buy them. No, you have to limit the purchasing of these skincare products. If you like, you can buy a moisturizer. Also, don't touch your face regularly. Don't touch your face. When you have a pimple too, don't try to pop the pimple. Leave it. Go and see your doctor so that your doctor will help you prescribe certain kind of medications or drugs in order to help you with the acne. If you find this video helpful, feel free, subscribe to this channel for more videos, like this video, and then share this video to many people. I am also Kojo Emmanuel, a physician assistant by profession. Thank you.